You'll hear from experts who can help you to take initial steps that are low risk and high return. You can actually meet some of the experts by attending the bi-monthly general membership meeting of this group. Come with your questions, seek advice. We're more than willing to engage.
It is time to step back and make a holistic case about we need to rethink some of these issues about how we operate, but also how we invest in the future, because we know that next generation systems are going to require even more energy per unit space. And we're going to have to be more thoughtful about how we approach the design and implementation of the data centers to manage those. And that speaks to liquid cooling.
When you move from air cooling to liquid cooling, there's a transition. You don't want to just get into the liquid cooling game. You want to be able to stay in it. So you want to make sure you're flexible in your design and you have different designs that can accommodate expansion.
Once your data center has the hydronic infrastructure in place, so that's the facility supply and return taps, you can do a variety of liquid cooling combinations. That is what we have found with our experience. We understand your first transition to liquid cooling might begin with just a single rack and not your entire data center. This kind of start actually provides an opportunity to get familiar with liquid cooling and understand the options that exist out there.
You need to get experience to actually setting the system up, having your sysadmins get experience with working with the system, and you don't want to financially go diving into something that you may not even follow through with in the future. Once everybody's really familiar with it and they're all on board with that, I think it's time to take a look holistically at your data center, and now you're ready to go into some advanced cooling systems. So those are the steps that we like people to take a look at. Well, I suggest you take a look at, and hopefully you'll have success and you'll see the benefits from liquid cooling.
We are convinced that once you and your team are then comfortable with the testbed, you will have sufficient data to already make the case for a larger installation by comparing traditional air-cooled and liquid-cooled solutions from a total cost of ownership perspective in your next procurement. And of course, you're never alone in your journey, as the entire Energy Efficient HPC Working Group is ready to support you and share expertise. The guideline for liquid cooling is a great starting point. And besides, you are welcome to join the Energy Efficient HPC Working Group to get in touch with HPC Center experts who have successfully run liquid-cooled clusters for many years.